It's currently 1 a.m. I believe, and I just finished filming the Crypto Soul News episode 21. I cannot believe it's already 21. I think that I'm gonna be switching the content towards a more personal, one-on-one, fun Zoom call content, which I can share all my contacts if they're willing to participate in this journey. So I'll be probably diving into that in the near future. I'm already planning and inviting some of my good friends to the show. I'm gonna be doing that, so probably the news won't happen so often, because once a week was not easy, and staying up until midnight, over midnight, was definitely tough for me. And next week I'm moving, so next Monday it's time to move, and so I'm packing all things and throwing away a lot of things. Yeah, hoping that tomorrow will be a better day. Good night, everyone. Bye. Welcome to my new apartment. I'm moving in on Monday, so only 2 days left until I move in. So I'm just taking a final look at how the apartment is, how it's cleaned up. So let's see what's here. This is a cooking island, but I got rid of the chairs because it's a little dangerous for the kids. Here's the living room, TV set, remote control set. Here's the balcony. Not the greatest view, but I'm okay. Because there's the bug, what do you call it? The mosquito nets. So I can just open the windows whenever I want, because in my previous apartment I could not do that. Here's the kitchen. The refrigerator looks awesome. I think it's the best part of furniture that I like. Samsung, it's all cool and big, because my previous refrigerator was so small, and this is the microwave, the sink. Water comes out perfectly. This is our final day in District 2. I'm moving out tomorrow, so I just want to check out the places that the kids wanted to go to. I don't know what's so special about this mall, but they wanted to come here. So here is our stop number 1, Estella Mall. It's quite a really clean and new mall. So I really like coming here as well, but shopping mall is a shopping mall, and it's not too interesting for me. I prefer like road shops and things, but you know, kids cannot really enjoy that. So this is the pet shop that we always come to meet the doggies, the little puppies. Since we cannot really own a puppy, we just come here too. This is like a US mall. There's KFC, Dairy Queen, all these multinational corporations based in the US. These arcades are next level. They have bowling here, bowling. It's really nice though. It's bowling, like junior bowling. But it's really nice, sophisticated, clean, and right now these guys are spraying water, like real water, to win. Anything like it. I guess it's because Vietnam, they have a lot of water. I don't know. It's really cool. I like it.